Hi everyone, today we're exploring an interesting concept. What happens if we hook up AI to our calendars? What if we could chat with our calendar as easily as we would with a friend?
Marvin.
I've been talking to the ship's computer, and it hates me.
So the app that I am sharing is the TimeNavi Chat GPT Plugin. Let's dive in. What it's really great at is being a calendar assistant. It can add events, give feedback on your schedule, and give you time management suggestions, and even find time you're free to meet, all through conversation. However, like any tool, it has its strengths and it has its areas for improvement. It excels in scheduling and time management and essentially being a limited AI assistant, but when it comes to analysing extensive data, there are big limitations. Because ChatGPT struggles with large data sets being input into it, it just tends to hallucinate when asked about analysing hundreds or even tens of events and calculating the time on each type of activity. Anyway, here's how to try it out. If you're a pro user of ChatGPT, navigate to the plugin section, locate the TimeNavi GPT plugin and select install. If you're not a pro user yet, rest assured that ChatGPT will be rolling out plugins in the not too distant future. In conclusion, the TimeNavi GPT plugin is a cool step towards the future of AI calendar integrations. It's not without its areas for improvement, but it's a great start. I'd be interested also in hearing what you think the future of AI and time management technology is. Is it AI controlling every minute of our day? Is it AI telling us to take breaks consistently or monitoring our focus levels? Or is it even something like aggregating the calendar data of the most effective people in the world to provide templates for the rest of us? I'm genuinely interested to hear what your thoughts are on this. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time.